What's up YouTube, it's me again just with another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you this effect that I have done. And so yeah, this effect is kind of really like awesome, especially in action movies, and this is called the gun muzzle flash. So in realistic, so this one is really easy. You can do this on any video like MOV, MP4 and so on. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this tutorial, but before this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel and please put the notification down there to get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So yes, go on to the tutorial, guys. Okay, so this time I'm gonna just file new project. Just click on new project and then just put new composition. I like to set it to black. Then let's just import the file that I wanted. Okay, so let's find the files, guys. Wait. So I'm gonna need to. Okay, this is the files. So I captured this from my Canon EOS 55 OD. So nothing wrong with it, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna need to wait for this to respond, guys. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, it's back responding, so I'll prefer half, and I'm gonna really flip it up, guys. Then I'm just gonna split that scene, guys. Okay, so you'll be just drag it over here, and I'll find that scene where just. Okay, this is gonna be really simple, guys. Okay, not just the multiple, but it's gonna be just really simple. Then I'm gonna set the timeline of this, just copy it. Then composition settings, and then I'm gonna really do this and paste it. And yes, this is just a few second clips. So now I'm gonna really start off with muzzle flash, guys. Then first step is to find the area where you gonna almost shoot this. So I think here, guys, think about 2 frames, guys. Wait. Find the okay, think about 2 frames, guys. So let's import a muzzle flash file, and then you can really get this to Action Essentials by Video Copilot or any muzzle flash video you can get online. So I prefer Action Essentials by Video Copilot, guys. So let's look for a muzzle flash here. So I prefer let's see what is by this one I used. Okay, so I'm just gonna import that file. So I want it 2 frames long. So let's put it at the really front of it. There is like a black. So go to toggle switches modes, guys. It's on the bottom left of the application. So I'm using Adobe After Effects CC 2018, but you can really use like CX6 or older, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna toggle switches and select this and click on add. So yes, it's gonna really put this to add. I have to adjust the anchor point, guys. So just wait first. I'm sorry if I'm really lazy, guys. Okay, yes. So I'm gonna really adjust like here. And we want to add animation to that case, but by putting position, go to the transform and position, guys. So I need to position it, guess, but I have to adjust the opacity, really see what I'm doing, guys. And set that back to 100. Okay, so that's gonna really add a bit of movement, guys, to the clip. Then boom. So you have something like this. Okay, I think the RAM preview is kind of really slow, guys. So let's start at the beginning, guys. We see. To make this more faster, guys, I prefer third, guys. So this is gonna make it more faster, guys. Okay, that looks like that, but but the problem is it doesn't look realistic because as you can see there is no reflection. Also my body doesn't have any reflection, so we're gonna really add a new solid.
But it's not here, but we can do it ourselves.
But you can put like an orange solid, guess. So I prefer mine is an orange. Okay. Now I'm gonna put so we're gonna put this to add guess. We're gonna grab this pen tool here, guess. Then I'm just gonna draw some mask guess around the face, guess. Not so perfect, guess. But just try to block that. Let's just see what I'm doing in the background. Sorry if this tutorial is so slow, guys. Dang it, guys. Let's put a new mask. Alright, we have put this mask, guys. Okay, but it's actually on the front. But you can make it not so perfect, so I'm just gonna add our mask case right over here. Is like this. Also here. It's not gonna be so perfect, but you can add a bit of mask throughout the timeline. Gonna add some of these. And then you can go to this mask and put some up a bit better, I guess. So I prefer 81, guess, which is perfect. So your footage will be so different than mine, so just never mind, guess. Now I'm gonna do the same with this. Okay, just 81. Yes, 80 is supposed to be really good. Okay. See, mask 81, 87 is also a good level. Okay, until I have this. So you need to try to adjust. Okay, guys, so we have got the mask case on there. And I need to just actually adjust the opacity, guys. Just the opacity of both of the masks is just the opacity. And got this stock clip is, but before this one, I'm just gonna add like a glow to the layer, guys. So I'm just gonna go layer. I'm sorry if this is not actually a good tutorial because I don't know about After Effects, so I'm still a beginner. Let's see. Okay, add a new. I'm just gonna click add. And then I'm just gonna trace on, but instead of this trace, I'm gonna use the ellipse tool by pressing Q, guys. Instead, I'm gonna use the ellipse tool, guys. I'm just gonna put like a circle, guys, like a circle to out the layer, guys, and then just enable it. As you see, we got this glow around it. So now I'm just gonna click mask, enter it. After that, we gotta give this. So we have this outline. So let me try to adjust these masks. But we got this. Try to adjust them. Okay, that looks right. Let me just check to see. Okay, that's gonna last for a few. Okay, so I'm just gonna last it for just few frames, guys. That until it makes a disappearance, guys. Until something like this, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna go another solid, just another orange solid. And for this, it's gonna be the background, guys. This is gonna be the background layer. Okay, just gonna trace on these areas case which is affected, and then I think the car mirrors. Like here, I think the car's mirror is. Also, I think some areas. Okay, I think some areas here. I guess think some neutral areas here. I guess. Okay, I think some areas there, and also here. I guess a motorcycle. A little bit. A little bit on a motorcycle. On the motorcycle. So you try to enable that. Guess. So I'm gonna really does the same feather. I guess. So I'm gonna also does the same feather. I guess. Oh yes. Better about 81 guess. We get to feather that a little bit guess. 9 and I'm gonna adjust it. You can use max capacity if you want to guess. Okay, that's gonna add a bit of like reflection and also here. And also let's do here. Just, okay, not that. And that's something looks like this. Yes. Okay, let me just try to play back that one. Okay, that's ridiculous because it's just a small pop. So you just import sound file. It could be like an M4. Just like down to this Beretta shootings. This Beretta shooting. Then I'm just gonna import that file, guys. But what I only want is the sound of it, guys, not the actual footage, guys. Not the actual footage, but the sound, but the audio, guys. It's fine, the audio, guess it's fine. The audio where it's gonna snap, guess. And I'm just gonna really cut here, guess cut here. Split. I'm just gonna put the audio directly right over here. And it should sound like this. Sounds really cool, huh? It sounds very cool, guess. Especially you see the flash, guess. It's replayed it again. I know that's not kind of look realistic, but to make this more cinematic, I like to add some black solids to the top, guess. Some black solids. Black solids, guess. Then it's gonna actually composition, so this is gonna make it more cinematic. Instead, I'm gonna add some black bars to the top. Use a bit of these black bars. Then, so I'm also gonna duplicate this one. This time it's gonna put downwards. This time it's gonna. This time I'm gonna put it downwards. Black bars are really easy. Yes. Okay, so we added these black bars. Then it should look more cinematic. So let's put it again. So you cannot even see it. So here.